Hi, my name is Rich, and I'm here to present to you about Lockout Tagout from the ABUS side of things. A little bit about myself first. So, as I just mentioned, my name is Richard Whittaker. Been with ABUS since January 2013, slowly moving up, and now I'm the UK Lockout Tagout product manager and product champion for the whole of the UK market. I'm working closely with Hayley Group to realise the potential and the full potential of Lockout Tagout and the devices and the procedures that it entails. So quickly moving on to ABUS and what we are and what we do. ABUS is a global manufacturer, renowned globally for delivering high quality products. We have three sectors to our business. We've got home security, mobile security, and commercial and industrial security, which really lends itself nicely to Hayley Group. Sits well with the current client base that Hayley Group operate within. Anything from padlocks, locking systems, CCTV, access control, industrial safety and security, which is a topic that we are familiarising ourselves with today. ABUS is a global organisation. We are present around most countries around the globe. We have a worldwide total employees of around 3,500. Of that 3,500, 1,500 do sit within the German region, based in Germany, which is our head office location. We've got 3 different companies within Germany and also 5 locations there. So moving swiftly on and straight into the topic in question, which is Lockout Tagout. And what is Lockout Tagout? Let's approach it first with the first 2 words, lockout. Lockout is a physical method of isolating or switching off machinery or equipment during the maintenance or repair of such machines, and just a prevention of someone being able to quickly turn that back on by mistake or when they're not supposed to. Tag out, that's as it says, it's a highly visible warning that is attached to the device that's locking out the equipment or the machines, and just to ensure that the machine is properly shut off and has a very clear warning of who's working on it and why they're working on it, machine, and it just gives a visual aid of telling somebody that they shouldn't start up the machine or equipment until the maintenance or the work has been completed on such equipment and machines. Why do we lock out and tag out? Planned lockout tagout procedures are there to reduce risk when carrying out the maintenance on machines within factories. Globally, it is now considered best practice to adopt and conform to a procedure when carrying out such maintenance works on company equipment and machines. This can actually reduce downtime and increase the productivity. And obviously, workers' safety is paramount and the main reason as to why people lock out and tag out, but it does massively reduce the risk of employer liability and the employer's exposure to prosecution, which again is also a good thing. Got some key statistics just to paint a picture really as to the UK market, some health and safety statistics. So there's 1.6 million working people suffering from a work-related injury or illness. This was during 2019-2020 year. 693,000 working people sustain injuries whilst at work, according to the Labour Force survey. And that equates to 38.8 million working days lost due to work-related illnesses or workplace injury. And that obviously equates to also about 16.2 billion pounds, whether that be to the employer, to the employees, to the UK GDP or whatever it may be. The big main statistic to focus on is fatal injuries in the UK. That's 111 workers actually lost their lives whilst at work in the 2019-2020 year. So as you can appreciate, no one deserves to go to work and not return home. So 111 workers dying within the workplace is quite a strong statistic, and one which we don't want to get too much higher than. Moving on to what ABUS can do and offer. Well, ABUS, we have extensive solutions. We've got a large back catalogue of products, which I'm going to show you now practically. Yeah, so what I'd like to do now is just to quickly present to you physically some of the devices that we actually can offer. We've got everything from kit bags, which can be strapped onto belts, workman's belts, so it can be a place to keep their own specific personal lockout tagout devices. One of the flagship ranges within the ABUS core now is the 76 series padlock, which looks like this. This padlock comes in 10 different color variants. We've got 9 shackle options, and quite importantly, we've got a nice, strong, thick coated brass key, which will be very difficult to break, which is a big concern within organizations. Of when people think of lockout tagout, they want to first of all make sure that it's a strong, usable product. This red one's obviously got what we call the bare shackle, or a stainless steel shackle. This yellow one here has got a plastic insulated coated shackle, and we also do products such as this one, which is again the standard padlock, but it also has a cable shackle. This enables you to do more difficult lock-off scenarios, so whether you can lock off a few different devices that are in hard to reach places. This shackle also comes in different lengths, the cable shackle, so it just gives you good options on difficult places to try and lock out and tag out. The other main thing about this specific 76 series padlock is it has a 8-pin cylinder inside there, which means there's 8 cuts on the key. It's a long, big key, and that's a key feature because that enables us to have a genuine 150,000 differs on this padlock. Now, what I mean by that is if you stood 150,000 people in a line, we can guarantee that there would not be a crossover of keys within padlocks. So this padlock could be an individual padlock 150,000 times in anyone's organization, which is a key factor and feature within locking out and tagging out, because these padlocks do need to be personal. We also have the standard stuff of what people mainly think about when they're doing lockout tagout things. Is we have the hasps. We also have various other different hasps, nylon hasps, which are specific for the electrical environment, and obviously non-conductive and spark resistant. So we've got a full range of different products which can be offered and used within lockout tagout environments here at ABUS. I shall switch back to the presentation. Here at ABUS, we like to think that we add some value to our supply partners and end users. So we offer training and support. We can offer calculating and charting services. So if you have intricate master key systems or key-like suites that you want to implement within a lockout tagout procedure or maintenance schedule, we can offer that service and help. We do engraving and coding on the padlocks, and we also pride ourselves in relatively quick shipping, which is a good main key feature. We also supply various different marketing equipment such as catalogs and brochures and things, and video support. We are a customer-driven innovation company, so we try to do a lot of research and development, listen to our customers. We're very proactive within the range that we add to the ABUS portfolio. An example being here of the lock point system, which just gives you different options of how to store and best move devices around a workflow or a warehouse environment or a manufacturing plant environment. This specific product lock point can be mounted onto a wall. It can be put on just legs. It can also be put on casters or wheels, so it can be mobile around the workplace. And obviously we can provide different setups with different A4 leaflets that can be put, well, an individual procedure can be inserted within those leaflet holders. And that's it from me for now. For further details and options for purchasing, please do get in touch with your local Hayley Group branches. I'm always here to help. I've been Richard Whittaker, and thank you for your time.